Which video am I watching again?
That's old candy. That's very old from Christmas.
Wait a second.
No, Giovanni, don't eat that.
Oh, I know.
No, I think that's Christian.
Ah!
Oh, how funny. He has the same one Giovanni has.
Kaylee, what's wrong?
I saw a hand.
You saw another hand?
Yeah, I picked up my toothbrush.
Your toothbrush?
I mean my paintbrush.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Kaylee, did you see the hand again? Kaylee, did you see the hand again? Gosh, I wish I knew what it was. So that I can get out of these. Look what I made! I have no idea what it is. Looks like a little guy, see? Right, yeah. Putting So, just get this in.
I'm going to go down to this up here.
That's nice. Yeah, perfect. Let's see. And there. Come to Papa. Look at that yummy burger. Hey, there's a floating hand still in the game. Wow. You know what? This portal is really nice.